Strengthening muscles plays a key role in maintaining the health and well-being of the body. Physical activity, special exercises strengthen muscles. When I talk about muscles, I do not mean specially building up muscles as the bodybuilders do. Muscles perform many vital functions. They provide movement and maintain an activity. They participate in breathing and blood circulation. They regulate thermoregulation. They support the work of internal organs and protect internal organs from external influences such as lifting weights. Strong stabilize the muscles are the key to injury prevention. Strengthening your muscles helps you avoid injuries during day activities and sports. Training your stabilizer muscles and increasing your leg strength reduce the risk of falls and serious injuries such as fractures. Regular exercise strengthens not only muscles but also bones, promoting the proper formation of the musculoskeletal system. Minimum basic exercises: push-ups to strengthen the heart and shoulder muscles, stretching to strengthen the muscles of the spine and other muscles, swimming to relax and generally strengthen muscles, daily walking or light run to strengthen the cardiovascular system. You can find and do your own exercises. Leisure is being considered as an opportunity to relax and recharge, to take a break from routine, such as going to the gym or traveling. Entertainment is just one type of leisure: visiting plays, concerts, watching movies, sporting events. Many leisure activities involve physical movements such as dancing, hiking, or swimming. Regular participation in these activities improves health, cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, and flexibility. Comfort is a key factor in our lives. Leisure activities can be effective in reducing stress levels. Yoga or leisurely walks in nature helps reduce stress hormones, promoting relaxation and improving physical health outcomes. Cognitive activities such as solving puzzles or learning new skills can improve cognitive function. Many leisure activities involve social interaction, which is critical to emotional well-being. Free time allows people to step away from everyday responsibilities, promoting relaxation. For all the adults, maintaining an active lifestyle such as arts and crafts, community-based activities improves well-being. Incorporating leisure activities into your daily life is an important component of maintaining health. Whether it's physical exercise, creative pursuits, or social activities, they lead to physical and mental well-being in all age groups. Comfort is a complex concept. Excessive comfort can be helpful to health. You have to fight against excessive comfort. For example, dosing yourself with cold water, hardening yourself. Healthy sleep is a key factor that directly affects our physical and mental health. Good sleep is a necessary condition for a healthy lifestyle. A person spends about a third of his life sleeping. During sleep, all body systems are restored. The immune system is strengthened. The brain sorts information and forms new neural connections. The risk of developing cardiovascular disease is reduced. With normal sleep, such functions as memory and concentration are improved. For adults, 7 to 9 hours of sleep per day is considered optimal, and for teenagers and children, 8 to 10 hours. It is recommended to go to bed and wake up at the same time. Physical activity, regular training help improve sleep. A warm shower or calm music before bed. Healthy sleep is characterized by a feeling of vigor in the morning.